If you thought Mohammed Hijab was having a bad year, you need to check on Ali Dawa.
Now, since I realized no logic, doesn't know his shapes. What shape is this? This is the human nature and the divine nature. You cannot, when you bring them together, it's a contradiction. You cannot have a triangle square. Meaning, when you bring them together, you have how many shapes? Two.
But God logic uses the shape sorter to show that two shapes existing together is not a contradiction.
So when you have this, watch this. This, ladies and gentlemen, this is a triangle, right? So this, ladies and gentlemen, is a square. Are the squares next to each other?
Yeah.
Is this a contradiction?
Well, is it? No. A triangle square, something that's a triangle and a square at the same time, in the same sense, would be a contradiction. A triangle and a square together is not a contradiction, just as a human nature and a divine nature together is not a contradiction. But it gets worse for Ali Dawa because God logic uses the shapes to further explain Christian theology.
So it's pretty clear, Ali Dawa knows that I am not saying that there are two persons. We are saying that there are two what?
Natures.
Very good. So if I say that there's two natures, I'm not saying there's two persons.
I know.
I bring them together. Are they together?
Yeah.
Is this a contradiction?
They are two.
Ali Dawa still doesn't get it, so he argues that the triangle doesn't fit into the square because it has a different nature.
No. It's a triangle, but it still doesn't fit. It still doesn't fit.
So now what?
Now, hold on a second, guys. Why is this triangle not fitting in the square?
Because it's not a square.
Because there's a different nature. Exactly.
And that was all God logic needed for the death blow to Ali Dawa's career.
Watch this, it's gonna be super funny. Ali Dawa, what shape is this?
I'll be funny, you don't.
Yeah, it is. What shape is this?
Triangle. That is a square.
This is a square?
Yes.
Okay. What shape is in the square?
Triangle.
Wait. You just told me that a triangle cannot be in a square. But you just said that this is a square that has a triangle in it. Wait. I'm a little confused. So wait, I just want to know. Since this is a square and this inside the square is a triangle, is this a contradiction?
Welcome to Dawa, ladies and gentlemen. Ali Dawa literally brought God logic a shape sorter shaped like a square, which also had a triangle within it. And then he argued that a triangle can't be in a square, even though he purchased, wrapped, and gifted a triangle in a square, and he still doesn't understand how insanely stupid his argument is. This is Dawa.
And we're proud of that.